can see, they are what we called as tukmo. They are called as tukmo. No? So there are plenty of like that here in our place. Every 4 p.m. they're always in our backyard. So I'm a bit amazed with these birds. They are a bit tame. And see, if we continue to love our nature, you can see plenty of this in our surroundings. Try to look at it. Say hi to the birds and to the chicken. And there's another one. So you see, if we continue to protect our environment, we can have a place wherein animals and human can live together in harmony. So these birds are called tokmo in Cebuano term. You can seldom see them roaming around because they are a bit afraid of humans. But in our place, they are kind of tame. You see, I'm about 5 meters away from them, but they are still not afraid. There you go. So I would like to ask everybody to please continue to guard and protect our environment for our future generation can still see the beauty of our nature. As the poem says, all things bright and beautiful, the Lord God made them all.